also love cherry cola nails, watch this video. I have 5 recommendations of these nail polishes that's gonna blow your mind, and all of them are affordable. So the first cherry cola nail paint color I love is from Lakme. This is the Lakme Gel Stylist nail paint in the shade Warrior. I love this. I'm wearing it right now, and nails, please excuse my nails. I haven't repainted them. I have been wearing this shade on my nails for a month now, and look at the wear and tear. It's still on, so it's a pretty long lasting nail polish. Next one is from the house of Zudio. This is the Zudio nail paint in the shade Malt Wine, and oh my god, this is so cheap but works so nicely. I love it. You need to try it out. If you are in Zudio, swatch it on your nails. You're gonna love it if you love the cherry cola vibe. Next one is the one I completely finished, and it's dried up also. So this is the Lakme again, this gloss nail paint in the shade Crimson. I love this. Like, this shade always remains out of stock on Nykaa for some reason, but yeah, if you can grab it, grab it. It's really nice. The only downside about this is the wear time. It kind of chips faster than the rest I'm gonna mention, but yeah, the shade is to die for. The next one is my all-time go-to favorite. This is the Nykaa Gel Shine Nail Paint in the shade Moroccan Spice. I love this. This is my second bottle, and for me, honestly, I love Nykaa nail paints. I have like 15 of them almost, and I always repurchase them. I'm just obsessed with Nykaa nail paints. They are so affordable yet so high performing. And the last recommendation I have is kind of expensive, but I do have the mini version, so it's kind of affordable. This is the OPI nail polish in the shade Hot Blues for Red. This has to be one of my most favorite nail polish formulas ever. Of course, this is OPI. You can never go wrong with OPI, but yeah, it's really nice. I have the smaller version. I'm gonna purchase the bigger version soon.